MBG Expense Management provides telecom expense management solutions that aim to lower costs, improve management of telecom services, and provide transparency into your organization's telecom services. MBG takes an accomplished approach to managing telecom expenses by developing next-generation telecom expense management solutions that are automated and rooted in electronic data to provide the most detailed view of telecom spend, allow a user to see multiple views of telecom spend in a unified invoice that is broken down by vendor or by department, along with complete drill-down capabilities, manage the full life cycle of telecom services from procurement to payment to internal chargeback, facilitate analysis to track usage trends and perform budgeting and forecasting. The MBG expense management platform is unified and scalable and adheres to recognized industry best practices. This next-generation telecom expense management solution has been developed by MBG's senior leadership based on the work they have done with clients over the past 15 years. The MBG solution supports the full telecom lifecycle, which includes inventory management, invoice processing, chargeback, and business intelligence. Each solution can be used independent or in combination to support an organization's telecom expense management requirements. Let's take a look at each component. Building and maintaining an inventory is the foundation for a telecom expense management solution. Inventory is usually grouped into three categories. Circuit inventory, which provides information on the type of circuit and the channels it supports. Personal assets, which can include wireless devices, computers, and virtually any item assigned to individual employees. Asset inventory, which provides information on items such as routers and servers that support your network infrastructure. In addition, it is important to have tight integration with a provisioning system to ensure the inventory remains up to date as orders and disconnects are being made. Let's look at some examples of what the provisioning and inventory systems look like and the activities they perform. This shows the provisioning dashboard, which breaks down the number of orders that have been placed and how long the orders have been outstanding. Jeopardy orders indicate how many orders have missed their installation dates. The dashboard also provides a summary of your organization's orders to provide you with an instant snapshot of your organization's order history. When placing orders, mandatory fields are created to ensure the proper information is being entered to complete the order and populate the inventory properly. A drop-down box is provided allowing the end user to select the type of item being ordered, which will dictate which form is being used and what fields are mandatory. This is a view of the inventory dashboard, which summarizes the number of items in the inventory database and groups them by type and vendor for a quick snapshot view. This shows the inventory displayed by an organization's dedicated hierarchy. In this case, the hierarchy is broken out by geographic location. The MBG inventory system is designed to handle hierarchies specific to an organization's requirements. With inventory displayed by location in this example, a user can view the employees at a particular location and the devices that are assigned to them. This can include items such as wireless devices, computers, and calling cards. This is the monthly inventory exceptions report. It demonstrates why having an up-to-date inventory is so critical to your telecom expense management solution. Here, the invoices are matched against the inventory to identify items that do not match. This allows invoices to be validated quickly and highlights large billing errors as they occur. Here, one can see the tremendous advantages electronic data yields with conducting analysis and the efficiency that is gained in analyzing invoices. The key to invoice processing is automation. Companies can streamline the process by using electronic data, which yields far greater detail, enabling deep dive analysis, accelerating invoice analysis. Let's take a look at some examples of how MBG's invoice processing works. This dashboard for invoice processing displays action items for invoices. Depending on the job function of the end user, they can see invoices to validate or see how many invoices there are to pay after the invoice has been validated. The dashboard also shows a snapshot view of spend by vendor and the status of disputes. This shows the number of invoices that exceed thresholds that are preset in the MBG invoice processing platform. If the invoice exceeds an expected amount, it is flagged automatically for review. Here is a view of a centralized invoice displayed in MBG's invoice presentation. The invoice is displayed in aggregate and broken down by each vendor. The user has the ability to drill into charges for each vendor or in aggregate to see charges by line item across all vendors. This report compares the current invoice month against the previous invoice, allowing for deep dive and quick analysis of monthly invoices to see if there are any glaring differences. Charging back costs enables organizations to view costs broken down by cost center, where managers have the ability to view the consumption of services and monitor costs in their departments. This allows managers to determine if policies are being followed with regard to wireless usage and remote access, and provides greater visibility into an organization's telecom and IT spend. It also allows managers to see if services are being used to determine if an employee is generating activity. Let's take a look at some of the information managers can view through the MBG chargeback system. This chargeback dashboard provides a snapshot view of top users and top departments for telecom and IT services. The reports can be configured to include any type of reports the organizations would like to view. In this case, quickly see who the top users are for telephone services, or see which employees have the highest international usage, or which departments are generating the most call volumes. This is a report used by financial managers to gain a quick overview of costs and an idea of where those costs are coming from. A key benefit of our next generation solution is the ability to have advanced reports that help drive success across the whole organization. The MBG Telecom Expense Management Platform can generate over 80 standard reports that provide detailed information on telecom and IT expenditures. Let's take a look at a few of these reports. This report provides a view of spend by carrier and instantly shows the organization which vendor has the majority of its spend. This report shows the taxes broken down by tax code. From here, the user can drill into the graph to see the details behind each code. In summary, when selecting a telecom expense management solution, it is important that you take advantage of electronic data to support best practices in inventory management, invoice processing, and chargeback. The solution you select should also generate accurate reports to increase your organization's business intelligence capabilities to gain a better understanding of your network. Supporting these best practices will drive down your organization's telecom costs, seek to improve service, and add flexibility in managing your network. To contact MBG and inquire about our telecom expense management services or request a live demo, please visit www.mbg-inc.com or call 1-800-MBG-3888. Your search for telecom savings stops here.